Sup, back in another video, guys. Return of the actual winter snow is here, as you can tell. And here's Y121, one boxcar and one engine. Here we go. It should be activating here any minute. Be activating these already just coming up to 10th Street. There they go. Signals are activated right now. 6072 CXX 6072 is waiting. It should be activating here any minute as well. Stricken signal on Holland, which is where this train originated from. Come back from coastal containers and one boxcar. Assuming loaded. But yeah, here we go. Cruising on and no more speed right now. Just cruising. There's a restricted signal, as you can tell right there. In here, should be down here in a second. Here we go. There's Y121 right here behind the box counter to see right now. Yeah, he's just right there. There he is. Watch him hit a little bit of snow drippers. Back up just a little bit. It ain't in there, that's funny. One boxcar, and there it goes. Okay, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Ralph Landon out.